Aberystwyth is really lovely. It's right at the sea, so you have lovely walks along the beaches. There's about 3 of them. On the other side you have the hills, and you can do a lot of excursions to see the lakes and the mountains.
Here you go out for a walk, you're guaranteed to bump into someone you know, and just helps make the place more friendly and comfortable.
I like Aberystwyth. I mean, it's so small, but it still has everything, and it has a lot of life.
It has been 4 best years of my life.
It's very friendly and very supportive, and you get to know all the students and the tutors.
My favorite aspect is just to go to the studio in the old college and have my tea and do my painting with my fellow painting students. It's very relaxing, very nice.
There's a lot of support. I mean, there was never a time where I felt that I was on my own. I could always send an email, ring somebody, or pop into the office.
It was quite challenging for me at first with the language barriers and stuff, but the lecturers are really helpful. They're just there for you whenever you need them.
Just being able to interact with my lecturers and to talk to them, talk to my head of school, to know that they are always there. And I think I really enjoy that closeness, the community feeling.
It's a very international environment. First thing when I arrived at the train station basically was hearing German, which was quite bizarre. But there's lots of different societies of different countries and stuff.
Don't be hesitant of the fact that you may not have heard of the name Aberystwyth. Come down, see the place, and I'm sure you're not going to turn away.
I have a lot of really good memories from this place, so I figured I'd stay on for 1 more year and make some more.
I think it's really amazing. There's probably not that many towns like it.
The people here are very, very friendly, and the staffs in the university, they help international students really well. I would recommend anyone who would want to study here to just go for it.